jobs you always wanted.
You want to make a lot of money?
Hey, I'm Crazy Carlson. I'm f***ing nuts. I'm going crazy out here, giving cars away, literally. Oh, I'm sick and tired. I'm fed up with these ridiculous high prices. Come on down, I got keys in every ignition in here. If you can take a car from me, it's yours for free. Oh, kick your ass and break shit up. Yeah, and if there's one catch, f***er, it's me catching you, and you'll be paying full price. So come on down and try and steal a car from Crazy Carlson if you can. I'm here to beat down the competition. Damn, Gina.
I can feel a tingling here, yet not here. I can feel a difference here, yet not here.
When you think of someone who really cares, there's one person that comes to mind, and he's running for governor. His name is Jack Hugh. With Jack Hugh's plan to show the community he really cares, he will be working side by side with blue-collar workers, understanding their problems and dealing with them firsthand. To Jack Hugh, caring for the children in our community means caring for the future. So making our neighborhood safe will be a main priority to Jack Hugh. And Jack Hugh will never forget to care about the elderly. He refuses to turn his back on the very people that have had an impact on our evergreen state.
Work with us and understand our problems? I know he will.
Jack Hugh.
Make neighborhoods safe for our kids? I know he will.
Jack Hugh.
Remember those who had an impact in our community? I know he will.
Jack Hugh. Jack Hugh for governor.
The cult of personality. I know your anger, I know your dreams. I've been everything you wanna be. Oh, I'm the cult of personality. Like Mussolini and Kennedy. I'm the cult of personality. The cult of personality, the cult of personality. Neon lights, Nobel Prize, when a mirror speaks, the reflection lies.
With my power play package, it's easy. It's like a game. You play same game. But first, you play game with your boss and call in sick to come to my seminar.
Come on down. You're the next contestant on The Price is Tight.
Another day waking up, ready to go ride and hit the auto start on the truck so we can dive. And feeling kinda rough from the night before, but we're ready for each day like we were going to war. Reminded me of the never-ending tour. No matter how much pow I've ridden, it's time to ride more. That takes a full and the board's a strap. You can guarantee that the bowls are packed, but we're moving so fast you think there was no time to lack. Always looking for new lines so I can make my attack. These days kids are going so big, you better step up or step back. Let your skills tell your story, don't talk no smack, cause my crew don't get down like that. Here to make our mark and separate the real from the whack. I guess you could say that we already did that. The mountains are where my soul has always lived at. Praying for new snow constantly, and if I'm living life, this is how it's got to be. Give me a new 800, a 170, plus a hot girl who loves getting sex heavily. Then I'll be fine, getting mine, lounging in the sunshine. People love the way that I run mine. You can say I'm rolling, floating, wide open, moving so fast. Park rangers didn't have time to start chasing these tracks with the words that our minds extract.
Inventing sentences, intentions to express, reflect.
Lacing these tracks with the words that our minds extract.
The possibilities leave no time to react.
Lacing these tracks with the words that our minds extract.
Inventing sentences, intentions to express, reflect.
Lacing these tracks with the words that our minds extract.
The possibilities leave no time to react. Incorporating the magnitude of perceptions, reflections viewed through the iris of a colored mind. Inequities are composite with precision, wheel and drive. Investigating the causes if the question shall arise. Open your eyes and gaze inside to discover more than anticipated. To uncover the roots of a life. Traveling backwards to our memory stored, solidified in the form of metaphors. Bearing the crown of thorns of forged words from thoughts presented views to change minds. Reverse and visualize so that the knowledge arise. Comprise, figure the shadows to prepare our souls for battle. Unravel the very fabric of a time permitting travel now. The gavel dropped upon this earth of the sentence to life. The lucid structure in our dreams that emit in at night. We wake to order, classify by rules that don't apply. While shattering the chains of more from man can find a Valkyrie. The ultimate amidst the fallen kings and silent screams. To play his pawns upon a board of dirt, the Trojan seems. The camouflage a harsh reality of what exists. Remove the wool from line of sight, invite the truth from what we miss. Existence figures of speech depend the victor in the war. Express our words and use the tool that's mightier than the sword. A fascination with expression forms a trilogy. The arms are bare, connect with think and speak with haunting imagery.
Lacing these tracks with the words that our minds extract.
Inventing sentences, intentions to express, reflect.
Lacing these tracks with the words that our minds extract.
The possibilities leave no time to react.
Lacing these tracks with the words that our minds extract.
Inventing sentences, intentions to express, reflect.
Lacing these tracks with the words that our minds extract.
The possibilities leave no time to react. I split through battle tracks like a battle axe in full force, spread the impact through stages. My mind gauges the snowpack. I embrace it with an ink, pencil, charcoal eraser. Hell, if I was a cycle, I'd cut my wrist and use my own blood to write on these pages. I travel back and forth from map to fort to ensure these hidden ass rappers that stop the whack reports of lacking in Alaska's north. But I can assure you one thing: this collaboration is a science. We school y'all like Newton as the lyrics split your apple core. So what'd you ask me for? The answer's in the last calor. -6 degrees up chair 4. You want more? We got so many problems and not enough solutions. Even the uninformed unsure like weather patterns and the illusions. These mental intrusions have you nauseated, perplexed, vexed, slightly uneasy, uncomfortable from the descriptions I've expressed. I leave a prescription in your chest. One dose of cold, one brand new jack. A solo off of Lolo's in a tree to stop the stress.
Lacing these tracks with the words that our minds extract.
Inventing sentences, intentions to express, reflect.
Lacing these tracks with the words that our minds extract.
The possibilities leave no time to react.
Lacing these tracks with the words that our minds extract.
Inventing sentences, intentions to express, reflect.
Lacing these tracks with the words that our minds extract.
The possibilities leave no time to react.
catch him. So now I'm going to trust Mike to catch me.
That's right, Money! Come on down! You're the next contestant on The Price is Tight! That's right, Money! You'll be guessing on all kinds of items from the ghetto today, like this 40 sack!
Alright, what's up, Monty?
What's up, player?
Hey man, you know, just trying to keep it, I'm just sitting here, on my. Oh, what do you think that 40 sack is what?
40! Well, let me holler at my dog real quick, man.
Aight. He's hollering at his dog.
Alright. I got 5 on it.
5 on it. Holler. All right, dog.
Oh my God, dude! Fuck me!
Experience the pleasure of swinging a hole-in-one in life like thousands of other individuals. By choosing to take side effects, you're making a decision to live life without the long list of side effects that can come from some prescription drugs. Learn again to live life to the fullest. You owe it to yourself and the ones you love to live a side effects-free life.
Side effects of side effects may include original side effects, and additional side effects for side effects could be separate side effects from the side effects of side effects. Actual other side effects of side effects may be irritation of the mouth, loss of smell, rashy skin, puffy eyes, sensitive ears, swollen throat, expanding lungs, may induce diarrhea with possible spontaneous, urinary, and oily rectal discharge. Itchy burning sensations may persist with loose stools. Leaky urethral trauma may occur. Sporadic genital extraction could create displaced stools with chunky flow infected by cracking skin. Minor burns of scaling bladder wall. Excessive shaping of hyperactive salivary glands. Do not combine side effects with water. Calcium, vitamin A, B, C, D, yellow 3, 5, 9, red 4, blue 1, potassium, sugar, starch, flour. Avoid wheat.
Yeah, man, that one here to the universe, you know? Jamaican and Christian for the first.
This a multi sign, look at who I dance. The same old one we never like my style. I who I smile, and I broke wild. Big bad tune, I bust up the tile. On the front line, and me inside. Born and raised as a blessed child. Them never know, so that's how it go. Hypocritical, your mind that van go.
Now watch the truth, it a reveal enough for them can't take it. Over the years, them tell we lie, well we got sister, them a fake it. Them see a your night commandment, and them run go break it. Ah no, me sister, them na make it. Now watch the truth, it a reveal enough for them can't take it. Over the years, them tell we lie, we got sister, them a fake it. Them see a your night commandment, and them run go break it. Ah no, me sister, them na make it. Them a fast pretender. No love, no inna them heart, not even upon them agenda. Keep this in your heart, that one ya you feel remember. From January straight to December. But a fire from me, a mix up and blender. How you think me go? Who all of them?
Are you tired of bulky exercise equipment? Do you spend more time playing with your equipment than you do using it? X the stress. It's Exersucks. Exersucks fits in a small drawer, and all you need is a hardwood floor. Get those thighs you've always wanted. Get those abs you've always wanted.
I lost 55 pounds in just under 2 weeks with Exersucks. Unbelievable.
Scott Stamnus is the first Team Bongload rider. He said, hey, why don't you sponsor me? And I thought, yeah, why aren't we sponsoring people already?
Does music help you when you're riding? Does it inspire you to catch airs?
Oh yeah, definitely. Music inspires everything, and it's just going to drive you that much more and inspire you to create and go beyond yourself. Yeah, commercial fish also in Alaska, and on our fishing boat we built a half pipe for skateboarding. My dad, this Captain Mike, has let me do that, so we're able to skate when not fishing.
So you're telling me that you guys built a half pipe on a fishing boat?
Yeah, we built an 8-foot wide, 4-foot high half pipe on the galley at the top of our tender. It's 86 feet long and 22 feet wide, and we pack 160,000 pounds of salmon on board, so it has enough room on the top house for a small ramp. And we travel all over Southeast Alaska and across the Gulf of Alaska and skateboard in really unique places with a super rootsy program vibe, much like the Bongload scenario and all the bands that are on Bongload.
Cologne. Vodka. Fragrance. Passion. Intoxication. Inebriation. Addiction. Freedom through intoxicating expression. CV1. Cologne Vodka 1.
Electric razor, shaving gel, razor, aftershave lotion. Say goodbye. With Tear Hair Care's simple one-step application, removing that unwanted hair is as easy as 1, 2, 3. And with Tear Hair Care's super adhesive formula, we guarantee it doesn't leave a hair behind. Use Tear Hair Care anywhere, even on your face. It's gentle enough for a smooth shave.
small flame package, you get Get the Day Off from Work instructional video and Sick Effects CD. Let me show you how it works. It's easy. First, you call your boss. Hello, boss. I'm sick. I cannot work. Excuse me. See? It worked.
L is for the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. V is very, very extraordinary. E is even more than anyone that you.
Another night's broken, yawn. Oxygen intake, rest is over. Back to the helm, the light of day breaks, a bugle of tyrants. One time, no second takes to live this war. Blessed to record my mistakes, vessels and anchored. Rage at the pagans, the works upon the flesh will bid the man cast their faith in. They gold and platinums, idols will be shaken. Navigate through the seas, cannons aimed at Satan. I'm ready for the war, my God's almighty. I'm ready for the storm, my God. Don't bend knees, it's not a weapon to be formed. No weapon, and there's no way I'll conform. No. I'm ready for the war, my God's almighty. I'm ready for the storm, my God. Don't bend knees, it's not a weapon to be formed. No weapon, and there's no way I'll conform.
I see my people in the they want war. I see people in the war. They want war. I see people in Namibia.
Escucha, la música es pura vida. Venga, las chicas y señorita.
I ordered up 2 burgers, not 2 tacos, stupid poncho.
He did the triple Indian seat grab!
yet not here.
Now that's good juice.
Yeah, that's right. Welcome to R&B Nation. I'm your host, Chase with Style. That's right. We got some good stuff coming up for you tonight. All the best videos. This next one, Chodesi, Ride My Pony. So get your groove on tonight. Yeah, you're watching MTV.
Oh, come on, get down with the sickness. Come on, get down with the sickness. Oh,
You just messed with the wrong cop, punk. Top cop jocks.
Philip Rickenbacker covers earlier eras of Death with Volume 2 of Sounds of Death Metal on Classical Acoustic.
Seek and destroy, searching to meet me at the gates of hell. These chains that bind us grow stronger, and I long the taste of fire.
To order Philip Rickenbacker's Sounds of Death Metal on Classical Acoustic, get your Vice or MasterCard ready and dial 1-800-PHILIP, or send check or money order to Philip Rickenbacker's Sounds of Death Metal on Classical Acoustic, 666 Death Road, Amityville, Michigan, 98666. Sorry, no CODs.
torch of youth was granted me. I will never die. Born a black wing fire and steel. Born a black wing fire and steel. Born to teach them all to heal. Born a black wind fire and steel. Captured by the hammers of the giants of the world. I can see in darkness. I am the overlord. Single combat I await. My shadow brings them fear. Spikes upon my chariot will blind them with a ear. Born a black wind fire and steel. Born a black wind fire and steel. Born to teach them all to heal. Born a black wind fire and steel. I am an outcast on the path of no return. Punisher and swordsman, I was born to burn. Black wind always follows where my black horse rides. Fire's in my soul, steel is on my side. Born a black wind fire and steel. Born a black wind fire and steel. Born to teach them all to heal. Born a black wind
Je suis la prisonnière de l'infamie que tu. Je suis le corps par leur viol dévasté. Je suis l'être par leur haine chassée. Je suis l'âme par leurs horreurs torturées.
أصدر من يرعان أصدد في اللسان عزرو يحفان الدم والثيل ما زلت بالذنب برفض اللي غارة صفضي من قولي ما دام والثيل.
Je suis le cœur par leur barbarie. Mais je suis le courage des combats redoubtés. Mes hantes et ma blessure. J'ai mal à mes enfants décapités, à Lounès, à Bar, à Aloula, à Tassini.
And if after the first 2 weeks of coming to my seminar, you don't make at least $150,000, I will personally write you an I'm sorry letter.
You guessed the Hennessy. And you guessed the Vanilla Roma. And you actually guessed those motherfucking little ass homies right. We got one item left. What is the price of that old English ale? The man guesses $14. All right, ladies, let's see what the actual retail price is. $2.49. You are wrong as a motherfucker. And you know what happens on The Price is Right when you're that wrong? You get
Yeah, I can load a 9 up every day. My lovers told me
I'm sorry, man. Your ass is fucked.
But if I feel I'm in need, I got to ride, carry a 9.
I can be rude and tell you to curl your necks back before you bless that. When it comes to them blunts, me lost, you know what the rest said. I check for that. Like I'm low profile, slow style, to the windows, consistent with dentals, persistent with issues. Hard to showing potential, I skipped you, I meant to. All them other fellas over there, yeah, they honking already. At the end of the night, I'm lounging with who I came with, plus I'm talking already. Laying it down like satin sheets, coincide with this player skit. Type of skit to be on that note to see you later bit. And if I got that feeling, boo, it's all cool with you. If your game is proper, I might pull out the school with you. Later block up them haters and act a fool with you. Hipper, tipper, flipper, shipper. Meanwhile, make your grandpa bust these styles. Blair Smith 3,000 to the road to the T, they see now. Stuck in them stars, 69s and readouts. Thinking free miles. Spin on the chart, they call it devoted players. Name saying we foul, please now.
Locked down, hold me tight and handle me. You got me on lockdown, remember me, boo, in your sleep. This is my spot, now I got you here, you ain't going nowhere. You got me on lockdown, no other MC can compare.
We got 2020 margaritas, my niggas, singeritas. Booty call soundtracks, 2 and 10 flea blunts wrapped around our fingers. Got them all waiting to inhale, they was one of them non-believers. After one of our sessions, we'll have them open like yard sales. Make them all sell. I'm a dog's Cruel, thought the whole cartel. Much love to those who made deposits before we all fell. I'm into the grounds maintenance, backyard landscaping. Realize it's never they think for my niggas to think of ways of collecting their scrapings. Long as we keep it at that, well, we don't need for cosigns to find you keep promoted. After all, my niggas call you out as candy coated. Unique player mentality devoted. All get up to storm with the big dogs. And me and you cutting corners like zigzags, dodging pitfalls. All credit checks are made, before we select. If we making investments, known fact, we gotta make our money back. Want someone to believe in me, come and fulfill my dreams and my scenes. Understand how I stress scenes, and I bless things on the West Wing, and that's...
La semana pasada en Mujeres Histéricas.
Espérate, no te esperas. ¿Qué estás haciendo aquí? No. Te odio. Toma. Sí, ya te dije que no me gusta que me engañes. No me gusta que me engañes. ¿Qué te pasa, oye? Te odio. ¡Te llevo! No, te dije que eso no. Te dije, toma. Te odio, no.
Todos en la casa de la pasión y mentiras. Mujeres Histéricas. Cada jueves a las 9.
Háblame.
Not concerned with the clock, there's a whole lot of spring left in your sprite. Progressing so fast, into the scene you will blast. Nothing comes half-assed in the competition surpass.
Taking pictures, hitting gaps, portfolio is getting fat. Going places, friendly faces, cause on the guest list where it's at. When you're writing, life is good, future's so bright I think you should. Get some shades? You could, why not? Anyone else would. Shaking hands, grabbing gear, out late night with the boys filling beer. Hitting chair line and the women cheer, cause you're tight to the trees, big drops, no fear. Avalanche, nah that's love. That mountain's called your bluff. Transceiver, shovel, probe, well that might just not be enough.
Oh no, Sonny Bono, out with no peeps on his snow-mo. Now your life is in slow-mo, cause your season is no more.
Stranded on your own, PlayStation, microphone, remote control, DVD.
Pizza here.
Yeah, that's for me.
You're out for 8 weeks, you're popping pills, got rosy cheeks. Couch down in the roof leaks, you're dreaming about Amber Mountain Peaks. The run of the day has got your mind slipping away, but it's alright, your friends say, cause you'll be back to ride someday.
You've licked your wounds, you paid your toll, back on the ridge to collect your soul. Keep your head, don't lose control. Safety meeting around the bowl. Feels so good, snow on the face. Lines looking new in the same old place. Fresh snow tracks don't leave a trace. Feeling like you've been paroled and they drop the case.
The storms are brewing, what are you doing? Still at the bar, the clock strikes 2. Better get home, old lady's on the phone. She sounds mad, you're on the couch alone.
Have your big dreams turn to dust, or your young bones starting to rust. In this new style you must trust. It's the couch tiger, master of the trust.
So now as you listen, it's not you that I'm dissing. Powder days you'll be missing. Brand new couch now to christen.
A foot of fresh or else you sleep. You become a snob, not a creep. You don't ride unless it's deep, leaving the flat to rip the steep.
You're out for 8 weeks, you're popping pills, got rosy cheeks. Couch bound in the roof leaks, you're dreaming about Amber Mountain Peaks. The run of the day has got your mind slipping away, but it's alright, your friends say, cause you'll be back to ride someday.
Have a sip of your beer?
Real nice.
FedEx delivers anywhere.
For no reason. We're doing it. All right.
See action.
Hello.
Hey girls, want some candy?
Yeah.
Come on in. Woo! Here we go. Action.
Needs to be a little lower.
Dave, get lower. Get lower.
Give us the nod. Head on.
Dave. What? Camera heavy. Guys, I was thinking that maybe we should like go to the mall and go buy some groceries or something. Do you think that's a good idea?
I don't know. What do you think?
I don't know. What do you guys want to do tonight?
I don't know. That's pretty fun. What do you got in mind?
I don't know. I thought. Did you get the internet?
See if we can do this all night. Dude, your head keeps bouncing around here. What are we gonna do?
Did anybody pay the cell phone bill?
So, how long have you been doing this for?
I first started snowboarding about 5 years ago, about 7 years ago, and fell in love with it.
I heard that you train with rubber balls, smash you on the head.
Well, I'm used to hitting my head a lot when I snowboard, and I don't wear helmets, so I believe in preparing for impact. So that's why I don't wear helmets.
Sound straight.